Hi, Shaylin with WTI. I want to share some of my favorite comfy shoes with you. When I tell you I have tried all the brands of these infamous cloud sandals, I have tried them all, and I keep coming back to the CUSHIONAIRE brand, especially these because they do have the 2 adjustable buckles. I love that it has the double strap. They stay very secure on my foot. I tend to have a very narrow, thin foot, so sometimes I can have trouble with shoes flying right off, but with these I have no issues. They are very soft, very flexible. The outer sole is thick and you can see it just cushions so nicely when you step into them, especially on this concrete floor. Very easy to just slip on and off. I love even when I'm standing at my kitchen sink or even maybe at the stove that it's helping me from my feet hurting as fast or even my legs or back hurting. Also, they are waterproof, which is a great thing, so you can wear them out, you can wear them in, wherever you choose to wear them. They are just a great shoe. So I really do love these CUSHIONAIRE sandals. Not only are they super cute, so I can wear them out, but they are really comfortable, and I love to wear them around my house, and I'm able to keep my feet from hurting, and it also helps my legs and my back from aching. So overall, just a great shoe, super comfortable, definitely something you want to have on hand and in your closet, but that's just my point of view.